Hello guys, my name is Steve and today I just want to share 3 new things I've tried out in my Vue.js app. One way to keep me motivated in learning is to create something which is fun and interests me. Since I like snooker, just for fun, I searched for snooker data API and I found some data which is snooker player for the year 2015. In fact, my name Steve came from this snooker player, Steve Davis. So when I'm not talking, you will hear snooker commentator for the game between Ronnie O'Sullivan and Jude Trump for the year 2020.
One. Didn't mean to be on this red. Oh, there could be another twist. O'Sullivan very quickly out of his chair.
Yeah, and because he gets close to this, it stays in the jaws of the pocket. He leads by 50.
Thank you.
Yes, and he knows he should have won the match there.
One.
Five hours, 50 minutes. It's all come down to the last ball for a place in the final. And in it goes, Ronnie O'Sullivan, first into the final. And you can see what it means to him. He chased the game all day long, but he gets victory on the very last ball. And he is absolutely delighted. He never gave up, not once all day.
I saved the data into JSON due to the request is blocked by CORS policy. No access control allow origin problem. Then I use issues to issue HTTP GET request to fetch the data, which is in JSON format. Using Vue to loop through the data is populated to HTML element. Just now I mentioned the 3 new things I've tried differently. The first one is, I find that Pug interests me. So I use Pug syntax instead of pure HTML. What is Pug? Pug.js is a HTML templating engine, which means you can write simpler Pug code, which Pug compiler will compile into HTML code. Secondly, the new thing I tried out is SAS, Syntactically Awesome Style Sheets. SAS is a preprocessor scripting language that is interpreted or compiled into cascading style sheet CSS. Both Pug and SAS are preprocessor. Pug is a HTML preprocessor while SAS is a CSS preprocessor. Thirdly, I use Yarn to install packages instead of npm. Both Yarn and npm download packages from npm repository, but I find that Yarn is so much faster than npm. The time that I use to install the package, the time that I use to build it is so much faster. I found that it's because Yarn installs packages simultaneously. If you haven't tried it, I encourage you to try it out. I'm sure you will notice its performance difference. This is what I want to share of my learning journal this short session. I have deployed this simple web app and the link is in the video description below. Hope you guys keep up the learning spirit and be motivated to learn new things. and I'll see you the next time. Have a nice day and goodbye.